I'm Katie LaGrone on St. Pete Beach, where sand still covers a beachside road here. And now some property owners trying to rebuild after the storm are hitting an unusual roadblock. A bank that won't cash their insurance check. On St. Pete Beach, moving on from Hurricanes Helene and Milton remains a slow, painful process. Here, sandy streets and debris-laden front lawns have yet to wash away, while efforts to repair and rebuild
we had to remove the flooring, we had to remove the baseboards, drywall,
are leaving many property owners at the mercy of claims adjusters and insurance companies.
We need the funds to be able to complete our work.
So you can imagine the relief when Reza Razavi filed a flood insurance claim and his insurance company sent him a $20,000 check to start rebuilding.
This is the actual check.
So yeah, I mean, $20,000 is a lot of money.
It is. He said, oh, we're gonna actually give you an advance check so you can get things going. I was a little surprised, to be honest with you.
In a good way.
In a very good way, yes.
Razavi owns several properties near the water, all of them damaged, including this beachfront rental in Paso Grill.
This is prime real estate right here.
It really is.
These are pictures outside on the night of Milton and inside days later.
We had about probably a foot of water inside.
For Razavi, the first check from his insurance company is a giant step for him and his tenants, who were forced to move out until the damage is repaired.
I never thought I would sit across from you and say, wow, fantastic, God bless insurance companies, but thank you, because it helps. It helps.
Until you went to the bank to try to cash it.
And then there you go. There's a roadblock.
That's right. Though his insurance company sent him a $20,000 check to start rebuilding, nearly 2 weeks later, TD Bank, which holds his mortgage, still won't let him cash it.
They informed me that they won't endorse the check because they have requirements.
Despite providing proof, even a notarized document detailing the need for the money and how it will be spent, Razavi says the bank isn't budging, asking instead for more documents, including a claim adjuster's report, which is backlogged at least a month. Razavi isn't alone. His neighbor also got this partial payment from his insurance company, $2,500, but TD Bank won't endorse this one either. TD Bank is not commenting on either of the cases we brought to them. They're also not denying, though, holding up customers trying to cash hurricane insurance checks. Sending us this statement, telling us in part to avoid delays, we suggest customers contact their local store before coming in to deposit or endorse an insurance check, so they can ensure they have all required documentation to help assist in the process.
I don't think it's right. You would hope that a bank knows that the catastrophe has occurred in the area.
Karen Rowling is a Tampa-based insurance agent and says while mortgage or lien holders may ask for proof of work when an insurance company pays out a full claim with a big check, smaller partial payments don't typically warrant a deep dive.
You would think that somebody at the bank could make an exception to say, oh, well, we understand that, yes, our normal protocol is this, but we're not going to follow normal protocol because this is an unprecedented 2 events back to back.
We had our dehumidifier right there.
Razavi has filed a complaint with the state and recently took out an extra line of credit so he can continue cleaning up after a storm left him underwater, and the money that he says could help rescue him is being held up by the bank.
Why are you stopping homeowners from doing what they need to do and at least get their properties under control so they don't have further damage?
Less than 2 hours after we contacted TD Bank, the bank finally deposited Razavi's check. He won't get the funds, though, until later this week. His neighbor is still waiting. I'm my team investigator, Katie LaGrone, taking action for you.